Technology here, and today I'm back with a few apps that would make your Roam experience really nice. So the first is this launcher. It's called a decluttered launcher. What this does is basically it improves your performance, improves your concentration while you're working or while you want to improve your productivity. All it does is basically offer you a very decluttered home screen, and it only displays these four apps that are very important to you. After that, what it does is, if you swipe up, you can access all your apps through this list. If you swipe down, you can search on Google. You swipe left, you go to one set favorite app, and you swipe right, you go to another set favorite app. So it's a very simple minimalistic launcher and offers all features that you might need to improve your productivity. The second app that I'm going to show is the App Wrap app. So what this app does is it basically offers you a way of getting better screenshots, right? So as you can see, it has these templates where you can create a screenshot, or you can click this button to make your own screenshot. What this app does, it allows you to set a background to your screenshot, add in your mobile's frame, make the screenshot look really nice. This is useful for features, people who are bloggers, who want to make their own posts, who want to make their screenshots look cool and presentable. This app is free. It also has a pro version wherein you can use all the available templates and frames, but the frames for devices is free, and as you can see, you can set another device's frame and then you can add a screenshot. So it's very easy to use, it's simple, it's fast, and it genuinely works, and that is what is important, right? So the name of this app is App Wrap. After that, the second amazing thing that you can use is Deep Stash. So now Deep Stash is basically an article reading app where you can take ideas for your own self and focus on things and get these research and ideas for your own knowledge. Alright, this is not an app you can use for business or something like that. This is an app that you can basically use to increase your knowledge. So what this app does is, it is going to take a huge article that might bore you after a while, and it's going to convert that article into small pieces of ideas or short notes that is easy for you to read, that is easy for you to save, and that is easy for you to remember, right? So it's a very simple app, but it is very useful to increase your knowledge, right? For example, how to build better habits. Now this article might be one whole page long with different paragraphs, and oh my god, it would be extremely boring for someone to go through the whole article. No offense to the reader, the article, people who want to read the whole thing, they're going to read the whole thing. But people who want quick knowledge, want quick guides, quick tips, they're not going to go through the whole thing. This article ensures that you get what the writer wants you to read, what the person writing has in his own mind, and it conveys that to you in a small and sweet way, rather than going through the whole article and reading about it and then leaving the article in the middle, right? And the next app is going to be Amaz Faces. So what this app does is basically you select what type of watch you have, right? This is for Amazfit users. Since the Amazfit app does not allow you to use your own custom watch faces, you can use this app to add watch faces made by developers. And yeah, so we're going to choose Amazfit as our installation method, and as you can see, it has a huge library of custom watch faces available that you can set on your Amazfit watch in a GIF. No problem, no issues, it does the thing perfectly, and it works on your Amazfit watch. And I have already installed one of these custom watch faces on my Amazfit watch. So here is the watch face, and as you can see, it is exactly it is exactly custom, and it has every feature that you need. Now as you can see, this is not an original Amazfit watch face. This is a custom watch face that I have set using this app. Alright, so this app is extremely useful for Amazfit users, right? So The next app, and probably the last app in this video, is going to be Duolingo. So I have been using this app for a very long time, and this app is fairly useful and actually very useful for people who want to learn a new language, who want to practice the language that they had learned earlier during this lockdown. This is a very easy to use app, and it just offers a very simple experience. It uh, like in this, it offers very simple tests and learning tutorials where, like for example, right now it just told me the just pronounce this sentence, and now I need to see what this means. So this basically means the woman. See, so you get these points also. So what this app does is it takes something that is boring to do, that going through revising your language, revising the grammar, and it makes it fun and easy like a game. And that is very impressive and interesting when you want to learn the language but don't want to get bored. And especially during this lockdown, this app is going to help you a lot, because it's going to ensure that you increase your knowledge and you come out a better person after this lockdown. Right? So this app is amazing. Do use it. Do tell me why you like it, how you like it. This is an amazing app, and do tell me what languages you like to learn. Alright? So that's all for the tutorial today, for the video today, and I'll see you next time with the review of the ROM that I'm currently using, which is the Pixen ROM for OnePlus 60. Until then, bye bye.